In this video, we will go through how you can make a submission for enhanced funding claims in the IBF portal. After logging in, scroll to Funding and click on Submit Enhanced Funding. Let's go through the Getting Started section to begin. Click on this link to access the list of claimable programs. Here, you can retrieve the program name and code. You will need this information later. Click on the filter icon to search for the relevant program. The program name and code can be found in these columns. Next, let's download the claim submission package. This is what the course fee worksheet looks like. Make sure to read through the instructions to avoid potential validation errors. The portal will not accept invalid sheets. Use the drop-down arrows where available. Fill in either one of these columns, depending on your course provider. Do not fill in both parts. Do not edit any of the cells highlighted in blue. Assuming the total cost is $2,000, the cells in blue will reflect the grant support amount. Click here to upload your completed worksheet. Select your file and click Upload File. Select Continue. Scroll down and check that your worksheet has been validated. There will be a prompt if the file contains errors. Click on Upload Document under Step 2 to proceed. Check the first radio button if you have a certificate from an external auditor or an internal audit or compliance department. Otherwise, select the second radio button. Please note that supporting documents must be in PDF format. Click here to upload the relevant certificate of completion and invoice. Check that all information is correct. Scroll down and select Upload Files. You may also choose to save your submission as a draft at this point. Ensure that all relevant files are successfully uploaded before selecting Proceed to Step 3. Review the summary of uploads before proceeding to send your submission to your organization's management representative or MR. Do note that only appointed MRs can proceed with the claim submission from this point. View our next video for a step-by-step guide on how MRs can complete the claim submission process in the IBF portal.